Here's how you can pay Shopify plan with debit card. Start by tapping on settings on the bottom left corner, and you just have to tap on plan on the top of billing and go for choose plan. After that, you just have to select any one of these. There are three types: basic, Shopify, or advanced. You can choose according to your own needs. For now, let's go for the basic. And as you can see, you can choose two options, monthly or yearly. You can also save about 72 bucks on the yearly plan. So you just have to select and tap on confirm billing cycle. After that, you just have to start by typing your first name, address, your city, and your phone number, and simply tap on save address. After that, the main and important part is payment method. Simply tap on add button and now select credit or debit card and simply put your debit card number, expiry, and CVV. After that, you have to again provide the same information that you have put before and tap on buy now. After that, you will be able to purchase it from your debit card. Hope this helped. This is how to pay Shopify plan with debit card.